In today's lesson, we're going to evaluate an expression, and the expression contains mixed numbers and whole numbers and different operations. So if we have a problem like this that says evaluate the expression, write the answer as a fraction or as a whole or mixed number. So the first thing to do is you convert all the mixed numbers to improper fractions. So we're going to take this one here and this one, which are mixed numbers, and we're going to change them into improper fractions. So 5.5, remember you multiply 5 times 2 and then add 1 and you get 11/2. Then for this one, you multiply 3 times 1 and then you add 1, which is 4/3. Okay, so now we can rewrite the expression. So we have 11/2 minus 3 plus 2/3 divide by 4/3. Now the next thing to do is remember your order of operations. Do the division first, okay? So we have to do this division first. So let's put some brackets around it. And you have to use the rule keep, change, flip, okay? So there's our brackets. And now we're going to keep this one. This one stays the same. Then we change the division to multiplication, and then we flip the last term. So this becomes 3/4. 4/3 becomes 3/4. Now let's put our brackets around and let's bring down the rest of our expression. So 11/2 minus 3 plus, okay? So now we're still going to continue with our brackets. We're going to evaluate the brackets. So simplify the bracket. The 3's cancel. Okay, so you see that these 3's cancel each other out. So we're going to cross them out and we're left with 2/4. And then we bring down the rest of our expression. So now we rewrite all the fractions with common denominators of 4. Okay, because 4 is common to 2, and then there's this whole number, has, if you write it as a fraction, 3/1, then also the common denominator for that one would be 4. So if we make this the common denominator of 4, what do you do to the bottom to make it 4? Well, you multiply it by 2. So you multiply the top by 2. So 11 becomes 22/4. So 3/1, if you make the denominator 4, that means you multiplied the 1 by 4. So that means you multiply the top by 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. And this one, you don't change because it's already has the common denominator of 4. Now you just add and subtract everything up. So evaluate the expression. So when you subtract 22 minus 12, you're left with 10. You add 2, it becomes 12, 12/4. But you could simplify that further. 4 fits into 12 3 times, so the answer is 3. And that's how you do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away, you could just rewatch the video. You're probably just one explanation away from getting it. Also, if you need more help, there's links in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.